What's up, guys? If you're getting the network connection lost error in Fortnite on PC, here's how to fix it, step by step. Step 1. Restart everything. Restart your PC, router, and Epic Games launcher. A simple reboot can often fix temporary network issues. Step 2. Flush DNS cache. Press Windows plus R, type CMD, and hit Enter. In the command prompt, type flushdns. Press Enter. This resets your DNS cache. Step 3. Set DNS to Google. Go to Control Panel Network and Internet Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your active connection properties. Select Internet Protocol version for TCP/IPv4 click Properties. Use this DNS. Preferred 8.8.8.8. Alternate 8.8.4.4. Click OK and restart your PC. Step 4. Disable IPv6. In the same window, uncheck IPv6, then hit OK. Step 5. Whitelist Fortnite in Firewall. Open Windows Security. Go to Firewall and Network Protection. Allow an app through Firewall. Make sure Fortnite client Win64 shipping.exe is allowed for both private and public networks. Optional, use a VPN or exit lag. Sometimes routing issues cause this. A tool like exit lag can help stabilize your connection. Use the link in the description to try it out. That's it. Try launching Fortnite again, and you should be good to go. Like and subscribe if this helped, and drop a comment if you need more fixes.